Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Fifth Third bank account. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.53.com and press enter. Now you will be led to their official homepage. At the top, you can see 4 options: personal, business, commercial, or wealth management. You can choose accordingly and go for the login process. But for this video, we will go for personal. And there you can see the option login at the right side at the top. You need to click over there. Again, this kind of interface will appear. There you can see the option online banking or commercial banking. You need to choose according to your preference. Now all you need to do is enter your user ID and your password. In case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log in, then you can click on this option save and they will be saving your user ID. In case if you forgot your login credential, you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. And in case if you haven't registered for your Fifth Third account, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to get registered. Now, after you have entered your credential, you can simply click on login and then you will be logged into your Fifth Third account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.